Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm back. I know I've been gone for about 8 months now, but I'm back. Basically, I went back to work full time after everything that had happened, and before I knew it, 8 months had passed. I can't believe how much this channel has been growing without me, and I know there are quite a few new subscribers, so hi, and thank you for supporting me. Although I haven't been posting, I have been keeping an eye on comments and everything else that's been going on, and I just wanted to say thank you for continuing to watch even while I'm not here. But now I'm back, and I'm going to be uploading again probably once a week to start with, but we'll see how things go. Also, just a quick message, I have made a Patreon and I'll leave a link to that in the description below. It's basically just a way for any of you to contribute to any future videos, but please don't feel like you have to. If you do decide to, I'll be using it as a place to upload behind the scenes footage of future videos and possibly uploading videos a day earlier over there if that's something that you'd be interested in. Again, please don't feel like you have to, but thank you if you do decide to. I guess I better get started on my next video. As always, thank you so much for all of your support. It really does mean a lot to me. And thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.